Hello and welcome. Thanks for visiting the ChatGPT Tips channel. Here, we explore the world of chatbots and natural language processing, and how it's revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. This is the first of many videos we will be posting about harnessing the power of ChatGPT to spread knowledge, improve lives, and make money. Our videos will walk you through exclusive tips and tricks you can use while communicating with ChatGPT to maximize your experience, and give you solid ideas to monetize ChatGPT. So join us on this journey as we dive deep into the world of ChatGPT and discover the exciting future of human-computer interaction. Consider subscribing if you'd like to stay up to date with our latest videos. Since this is our first video, we will briefly go over the history of ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? Simply put, ChatGPT is a chatbot that can respond to instructions that you give it. ChatGPT can be used for a variety of natural language processing tasks such as language generation, language translation, text summarization, and question answering. One way to use ChatGPT is to input a prompt, or starting text, and then have the model generate text based on that prompt. The generated text can then be used for a variety of applications such as chatbot or virtual writing assistant. Another way to use ChatGPT is to fine-tune it on a specific task or dataset to improve its performance on that task. Now let's go a little deeper into ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI-powered conversational model developed by OpenAI. It is based on the GPT-3 architecture, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3. GPT-3 is a machine learning model that has been trained on a massive amount of text data from the internet, allowing it to generate human-like text. The development of ChatGPT began in 2019, when OpenAI first released GPT-2. GPT-2, Generative Pre-trained Transformer 2, is a large-scale language processing model developed by OpenAI. It is trained on a dataset of over 40 gigabytes of text, and is capable of generating human-like text on a wide range of topics. The model is pre-trained on a massive amount of text data, which allows it to generate text that is often coherent and fluent. The pre-training allows GPT-2 to perform a wide range of language tasks, such as translation, summarization, and question answering, without the need for task-specific fine-tuning. GPT-2 is based on the Transformer architecture, which is a neural network architecture for processing sequential data, such as natural language. The Transformer architecture was introduced in a 2017 paper by Google, and has since been adopted in many state-of-the-art models for natural language processing tasks. In June 2020, OpenAI released GPT-3, which was even more advanced than GPT-2. The model was trained on a dataset of 570 gigabytes of text data and had 175 billion parameters, making it one of the largest language models ever created. The release of GPT-3 received widespread attention, and it quickly became a popular tool for researchers and developers working on natural language processing and AI-powered chatbots. In September 2020, OpenAI released ChatGPT, a conversational model based on GPT-3. It was designed to be able to understand and respond to natural language input in a way that mimics human conversation. It has been used in a variety of applications such as creating chatbots, virtual assistants, and even writing dialogue for video games. So now that you have a basic understanding of ChatGPT, we hope that you will follow us as we guide you through the many unique capabilities of this fantastic tool. Our next video will be the first in a series that showcases some specific use cases and examples of how to make the most of ChatGPT. Thank you for joining us. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell if you'd like to be the first to view our new videos. See you in the next video.